Good morning, all my dear friends and respected madam. History, lesson number 8, Tourism and History. Me, Anas Nurani, and my friend Dhanasri Sanap will be explain this lesson in short.
In the past, the tradition of traveling is quite old in India. People used to travel from various regions like pilgrimage or going to local fairs and festivals in search of renowned teachers and good education for trade, etc. In brief, from ancient time, people took to traveling from various regions. Types of tourism. There are 8 types of tourism: local and interstate tourism, international tourism, historical tourism, geographical tourism, health tourism, agro tourism, sport tourism, and tourism based on specific event. Local and interstate tourism. This kind of tourism is not very overwhelming because it is within one's own country. It does not cause difficulties of language, procuring sensories and document. More so, we can plan it at the time suitable to us.
International tourism. Nowadays, it has become easier to travel because of the easy availability of the number of options like railway, marine, and air transport. Marine transport is linked with coastal regions. There are trans-European railways route. Aviation brought the entire world closer because of the economic liberation policies of Indian government. They include the people traveling for the studies, the relaxations, sightseeing, and professional agreements, meetings, agreements, etc. Also, for the shooting of the films, one needs to procure various official documents for the traveling abroad.
Tourism. This type of tourism is popular all over the world. Tours to historical places are arranged to people interested in history. It can be noticed in the context that Gopal Lilkant Dandekar, a renowned Marathi writer, used to arrange collecting tours to forts in the Maharashtra to explore the science closing linked in to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his achievement. Tours are also arranged into important historical sites in India such as fort in Rajasthan, ashram of Mahatma Gandhi and Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Important places related to the Indians' war independence in 1857, etc.
Geographical tourism. This type of the tourism involves visiting places to observe special geographical features of the region. It includes various natural and animal sanctuaries, places like Valley of Flower in Uttarakhand, various beaches, unique geographical wonders like the Crater Lake at Lonar and Ranjan Khalge in Nikoj in Maharashtra. Many tourists like to visit these places to satisfy their curiosity.
Health tourism. People from the Western countries find the health service and the facilities in India comparatively cheaper and yet of the good standard. Hence, many of the foreign prefers to come to India to avail of medical facilities and the health service. India is a tropical country where ample sunlight is available throughout the year. This attracts tourism from countries with cold climate in India. Availabilities of facilities for yoga training and the therapies based on Ayurveda is one more reason to want to visit India.
Agrotourism. Agrotourism, which is also known as agri-tourism, is rapidly developing, especially for the meant for the urban population, which has very little exposure to the rural life and agriculture. Now, Indian farmers are also visiting faraway places like agriculture research centers, agriculture university, and countries like Israel, where experimentation in advanced technology of agriculture is carried out.
Sport tourism. Sport tourism was developed in 20th century. There are various sport events organized on international level like Olympic, World Chess Championship and International Cricket Tournament, etc. While there are events like Himalayan Car Rally and international level events like Maharashtra Kesari Wrestling competition are organized on state level. Traveling to the attend such event comes under sport tourism.
Tourism based on special events. People want to travel and they are often on the lookout for the special reasons to do it. In the 21st century, it has become common to organize such as event, which has also helped to promote tourism. But many literature enthusiasts in Maharashtra travel every year to attend the Akhil Bharatiya Marathi Satya Sammelan Pan Indian Marathi Literacy Convents. Development of tourism. The crucial issues in the development of the tourism is providing proper guidance to the national and international tourists about various aspects of the actual travel, proper social conduct during the tour and during their stay at the destination place, giving priority to the ensure safe transport and security facilities for the tourists. And it is very important to pay special attendance to the special needs of the handicapped tourists. It is important to take few primary precautions in the order to preserve the historical heritage. It is very essential for the tourists that a pamphlet guidance and history.
Conservation and preservation of heritage. It is hard task to preserve and conserve heritage sites. Our country is very rich with historical sites to ancient, medieval and modern period. Heritage of any country is divided into national heritage and cultural heritage. There are some heritage sites in which are claimed globally, such as Taj Mahal at Agra, Jantar Mantar Observatory at Jaipur, Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Railway in Maharashtra. To preserve the heritage site, we can need to resolve that. First, I shall strive to maintain the cleanliness of heritage sites. Second, I shall not do anything that will result in vandalism of any historical site. Professional opportunities in the tourism and hospitality industry. A good number of opportunities of employment are available in tourism and hospitality industry. The country which is a tourist destination being to receive or renew before a tourist arrives at the airport of that country. He has to pay for his visa. He spends for his travel stay in hotels and payment translated and the buying newspaper, books, etc. This contribute to the growth of economy of the country.
Development of the tourism in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the state blessed with a rich heritage. The much admired rock cut cave painting and the sculpture of Ajanta, Verul and Gharapuri Elephanta pilgrims like Dehu, Alandi, Jejuri, Pandharpur, Shirdi, Tulajapur, Kolhapur, Nashik, Paithan, Haji Malang Gurudwara at Nanan, Mount Mary Church in Mumbai, etc. The corporation has provided facilities to the tourist hotels at 47 places. Together, these hotels can accumulate more than 4,000 tourists.